Hi English lovers, I welcome you in this video of Best Speaker of the Week competition. As we know that I have started India English bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. You can also participate in this Abhiyan and just you can be great English speaker. Every week I just provide all my students one topic. They create the video, they send me, and few videos just I choose, and after that I start the voting. You can vote and you can make the speaker best English speaker, and who will win, who will get more and more votes, who will win, who will become best English speaker, as well as he will get the certificate as well as reward. Your vote is very valuable, so please write in the comment box I vote for, after that speaker's name, and really it will be amazing and I will be always grateful to you, because the mission of India English bolega Abhiyan, it will be possible because of your help.
Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? I hope you all would be fit as a fiddle. So this is Dinesh Yadav. I am connecting to you from Mirzapur district, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. First of all, I would say thank you so much to Mr. Suresh Kumar sir for holding these types of competition. Actually, these types of competition is very useful for English learner. So without delay, I am going to describe some points on this topic. So as you know that today's topic is Tiranga. So, Tiranga symbolizes India's unity, ideals, and aspirations. Our national flag is Tiranga. It has three colors. First color is saffron, the second color is white, and third color is green. Green. And in the middle of the band, there is one symbol that is called Asok Chakra. And if I talk about meaning, so the saffron color represents courage, the white color represents peace, and the green color represents fertility, uh, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. If we talk about history, so according to history, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Tiranga on 22 July 1947. It became the official flag of Union of India on 15 August 1947, and the first outdoor hosting of this flag was in Canberra, Australia on 15 August 1947. So these are some points on this topic. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Dwaka Kumagaswamy from Gongachirabad and I am talking about our national flag. I live in India and I like India, and we can tell it tricolor, and the tricolor means Tiranga, and I support my India, and there are three color in our flag. First is orange, second is white, third is green, and there are lots of good people in our world, and if you want to that where is greenness, the world aren't have any greenness, then you should come India. Then after that you can see greenlands, and there are lots of trees, there are lots of children you can see, and the happiness is India. And there are four names in India. First is Aryava, second is Hindustan, third is India, fourth is Bharat. The Bharat is very good, and the Aryabharat is very good, the Hindustan is very good, and the India is very good. The alls are equal because all's name are same, but his names are not equal, because some people tell Hindustan, some people tell Aryabharat, some people tell Bharat, some people tell Hindustan. There are lots of names. So I speak all time India, Hindustan, and Bharat. I don't speak all time. Aryavart. And thank you. Bye. Bye, friends.
Of all, thank you for giving me a chance to speak in front of all. Today's topic is national flag. National tricolor is our national flag. It has three colors and one Ashok Chakra. Green means greenish, white means peace and honesty, saffron means sacrifice. Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. It's mean around the clock growing country. We host our flag in our national festival like Republic Day, Independence Day. It is so beautiful festivals and so beautiful flag. A horizontal tricolor of saffron, white and green with the Ashok Chakra in a middle. A navy blue wheel with 24 spokes in the center of white band. We should respect our national festival and national flag.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Heman Patel and I'm from Gujarat. I am a teacher as well. So today guys, I'm here to speak about something new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So my today's topic is our national flag. In India, we celebrate different types of festival and all festival we celebrate together. But two festivals are very special for every Indian. First, Independence Day and second, Republic Day. On this day, our Prime Minister unfurls national flag on Red Fort, and after that, we sing our national anthem. Our national flag, uh, made by Venkaya Pilli, it has three colors. First saffron, second white, and third green. Saffron is a symbol of power, strength, unity. Second, white. White is a symbol of peace. And third, green. Green is a symbol of sacrifice and greenery. So, our national flag has three colors. There is a blue color wheel in the middle of white stripe, and we called Ashok Chakra. Uh, we have taken Ashok Chakra uh, from the lion shaped Ashok pillar of Sarnath, and it is a symbol of progress. So we should be proud of our national flag, because our national flag is very beautiful and very unique from the other countries. So we should be proud of our national flag. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you for listening to me.